If you are a beginner in programming, you have probably started or still watching tons of guides and tutorials. How to start with Python, how to build simple apps, and all the user stuff on YouTube. But over time, you start to notice something. You still can't make your own projects. You get stuck, and the only thing that seems to help is yet another tutorial. What if I told you that you are probably wasting hours of your time? Sounds crazy, right? So let's go back to the beginning. This happens to almost every beginner. We watch one tutorial and then another and then another. But somehow programming just feels harder and more confusing. The truth is, programming is tough, especially when you are just starting out. So it's normal to look for help. We learn the code, we copy what the instructor does, and we feel like we are learning. But here's the problem, we follow patterns but don't understand them. For example, you might use a class in Python to build a GUI app, but if you don't read the docs or understand what the code exactly does, you'll get lost. And most tutorials, they won't explain why things work, just how to type them. Here is the second big issue. If all you ever do is copy code, you miss out on the most important things, learning from your mistakes. Tutorials show you the perfect path, but real learning happens when something breaks, when an error pops up and you have to figure out what went wrong. That's why I tell new coders, build your own projects. Yes, they will take longer, yes, you will struggle, but that's where you will grow. Don't know how to do something? Read the documentation. Still stuck? Google it. Search forums. Ask ChatGPT, whatever it takes. Now listen closely. This part is important. Too many tutorials will actually slow you down. Why? Because they train you to follow, not to think. If you want to be a real programmer, you need to think logically. That's why people say math helps in coding, because it trains your brain to think in steps, and programming is all about logic. So different logics have different syntax, but the thinking behind them, it's all the same. And logic is something you build like a muscle. So are tutorials useless? No, definitely not. They are great to get started. They will help you learn new tools and techniques, but this should be just one part of your learning journey. In the end, it's your own effort, your trial and error that really teaches you how to code. So close the tutorial for now, pick an idea, start building, make mistakes, fix them, and enjoy the ride.